On the screen, you will see my grandson of a year ago opening on Christmas morning, present for Grandma and Mimi, which is a little G that has a battery and runs around. He is both a genius and an artist, as you would might imagine. Perfect grandson. I urge you to personalize your iPad. You can get some of us to show you how to get those nice little pictures of grandchildren and children and loved ones and significant others and so on and so forth in various places in your iPad. So what I'm going to do today is to show you. So this is the app that I usually start with when faculty first get their iPads, and it's called ShowMe. So I don't believe anybody has shown you how to make folders. So I'll show you how to make a folder. So I'm going to take this digit and I'm going to put it on this to view, gives you two browsers to your system. I'm going to take that app and wait until they start to jiggle, and then I'm going to go over and put it into a folder. Done. So I've grouped my apps by folder. So I have, and then I'm going to click that folder. So I have a folder called Presentation Apps, and here's an app called ShowMe, ShowMe. I have used that. It's a pretty simple app. Again, I always urge you to take your iPad home and play with it. I have several apps that have absolutely nothing to do with work that I enjoy, and I call them my guilty pleasures. So I sit in my green chair, lazy boy, underneath the TV in the den. My wife is in front of the TV. We're watching NCIS for the 37th time. I'm in the room. She says I'm watching NCIS. You and I will not display her of that opinion. You get my So I'm going to just tap on my app called ShowMe. Here are, I've been playing with this for quite some time. Let me play one for you. Not a very good one, but it will do for demonstration purposes. So I'm going to create a new presentation. So I just hit the create. And I have a finger, which I can use to draw onto my whiteboard here. I have a record button, which will put voiceover all over the top of my presentation, whatever I draw. And I have colors. If I get really fancy, I can pull in an image. I can go search the web. I think I can search the web. And I can also pull in from my camera roll. So I can bring in all of those things, but I'll keep it simple. So I want to start off with red. So here's my presentation that I like to create. So I'm going to tap the record button. So this is your introduction to your essay. This is your conclusion to your essay, and I will label them introduction and conclusion. I'm going to tap the green button. Tap. It comes to a point right here. It starts with a point right here. This is your thesis statement, and this is your thesis statement, restated, paraphrased, said in different words. I'm going to tap the blue button. In the middle, you have several paragraphs, and this is the body of your paper. For Dr. White's class, never have a total of 5 paragraphs. I will not grade that essay. Stop. So I just stop, hit the little button there. And I'm going to save that. So let's repeat. So this is your introduction to your essay, and this is your conclusion to your essay, and I will label them introduction and conclusion. Tap the green button. Tap. It comes to a point right here. It starts with a as quickly as I said it, I made it. Were you put off by the kind of roar in the background, that little noise? Quick and dirty, it works. As I've said to many of my colleagues several times, in teaching, sometimes good enough is good enough. You're not looking for perfection in the presentation. In fact, I'd say, gee, if I wanted a perfect presentation, I would get some actor to do a much better voiceover at that voice. But that's the one I've got, that's the one I'm going to stick with. So I can either throw this away or I can save it. I'm going to click save. So I click save, and I'm just going to give it a quick and dirty name. I would do a better job. Hit next. I'll put it in English, and I'm done adding topics. Oops. It's creating a new ShowMe. That's the one it's creating. Now, in a little while, it's going to send me an email because I've set up an account with it. And the first time, after you make your first presentation, it will ask you to set up an account. Now, I use my, Kevin was talking about, it's done! Okay, so now it's come to my email. This is my Walter State email, sorry. I'm one of those first, waves, and I put my Walter State email behind everything. Now I'm thinking about, someday I'm going to retire. I'm going to lose that Walter State email again. I think I should give a Gmail account to that. But be that as it may, I'm going to read my email. So that flips me over to my email. And does anybody notice anything here about anything that lets me take this and do something with it? What do you mean a link? An HTTP site. That means what? It's now on the web. Does that mean everybody can see it? No, because I made it private. Right, the people to whom I give access to it. So I'm going to tap on that. Tap. And you see it will take me out to the web. And I can take that URL and I can either email it to my students through eLearn, or for those of you who know how in eLearn, you can use that URL to make a hyperlink. Right. Put it in, create a new page, inside content, choose URL, open it in a new window, and it's in eLearn. And how many times can my students watch that? As many times as they would. 375 times. I don't have to be there. They can do that 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It's there. If they forgot what that horrible voice said about the thesis statement and conclusion, they go back and look at it. On a scale of 1 to 10, still in Kansas. One is easy and 10 is hard. Give me a rating. 2. Yeah. But doing this app does several things for you. One, it shows you how to set up an account. Now, those people who are under the age of, we want to call it 30, know that they set up 7,000 accounts and they're fine with that. Those of us who have a few years on us are going, who's going to see that account? What's the IRS going to do with the account? But, you got 7,000 accounts, it's a free account, and it's the right price. So you've got that account, and I can go back to my old ShowMe, get those links, put them into eLearn, etc. So, all right. Questions about ShowMe? Okay. Yes. Yes.
So if you're opening it up on your iPad, can you open your ShowMe on another iPad?
Yeah. Well, it has to be my account. I had several accounts on several devices. There's also a website behind it. I can go on my computer. I can go on my desktop in my office. Because that link is in my email, it shows up in there, and I can do all kinds of things there too. Work with eLearn. Okay? All right, let's go to the store. So I'm going to click the home button. And I'm going to go to the store. So let's find the store on your machine, not mine. Let's see the move your little fingers across the page.
We're all gonna make one.
Let's go to the store. It says App Store. And when I click into the App Store, I come into my updates, which I need to do. I'm going to go to and I've got this little search bar up here. It works just like every other search bar in the universe, which is you click into it and you type ShowMe. So one thing I can do is I can tap on these if I know exactly the right one, or I can just hit enter or return on my keyboard. And it'll show me everything that has ShowMe on it. So it's going out there. So which one do I need? The very first one. How do you know that?
Well, for one thing, it says open, which means you already have it.
Yes, that's one hand. What's the other hand? The icon is the one that I was using. So if you will, it's free, yes, yes,
Yes.
tap on free, and download. You'll have to do your Apple ID.
Yes.
I got number 2.
I'm just saturated. And then closing it to line out. So just the video order here. Right, okay. And then you post it to when you do it. Right. Okay, so I just need to know how you actually, so it was just like, I mean, So did you want to go back and forth here? Sometimes it's showing you and sometimes it's showing you screen or?
I'm not, I don't like technology, that's the thing, it's not that I don't want to use it, it's just like,
Alright, is it an app also? Or is it just a PC tool? Okay, all right.
So everybody make a short show, and I'm going to have you take over the screen and show us your show. So the first time you save it, you'll have to create an account.